Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect your Bose portable home speaker to any PC or laptop with a Bluetooth. So first of all, make sure that your PC or laptop has a Bluetooth connection. Next is to power on your Bose, so mine is powered on right now. Now let's press on the Bluetooth.
Ready to connect.
So you will hear ready to connect and the light will turn from light will turn to blue. And next is to open Bluetooth on your PC or laptop. Click on add device, then select Bluetooth. And here's our Bose portable smart speaker. So let's click on it. It should start connecting.
Desktop BB0G8 connected.
And our device is connected. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave a like and a comment below.